In 2021, India's real estate sector was just $200 billion. But in 2030, it is expected to become $1 trillion, 5 times bigger than what it is now. And all this growth really fast is going to happen in the years ahead of us. Now the question is, what kind of opportunity does this create for lawyers? Many of you want to practice real estate law and want to find out what kind of skills are in high demand. You want to learn how to build a track record as a real estate lawyer, how to find amazing clients, how to take your career to the next level using this industry which is snowballing with massive opportunities. If you want to know more about real estate law as a career, we are doing a 3-day boot camp starting from Saturday through Sunday and also on Monday 6 to 9 p.m. and you need to register right now. Once you register, I'm going to start sending you really useful information that you can use to kickstart your career as a real estate lawyer on your WhatsApp number. So register right now and see you on the other side.